Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
That balcony. Okay. So yeah, we're going to be going along those kind of colored, beautiful buildings, and then there's a kind of hotel, those other balconies down that way. So we'll just continue up, and then you got some other kind of cool stuff everywhere in here too. So Calçada das Verdades. Let's go up. I'm just going to try to overlook our road from this little space here. So you can see all the cannons up there. So that defended all of Macau for 400 or 500 years, predominantly from other Europeans like the Dutch. So this is our target street right here. It's called Calçada de Verdades, like the sidewalk of truth. Got this beautiful balconied apartment right there on the corner as well. This right here is St. Dominic Street. Portuguese bookstores down this way. You got some kind of cool alleys. And if you keep going down that way, you'll go into Soundcloud Square and stuff like that. But this is going to be our target street right here. And before we go up it, before we start, this one is down to the Portuguese consulate. But this is the one that you need to know, because this is where we're going to go right now. Well, stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so now we're going to go up the Calçada de Verdades. So we're going to kind of capture this imagery a little bit before we go up it. There are some kind of interesting, that's Ginza Plaza, that other building right next to it, Teatro. So we're going to come around and show you those in a moment as well. But our focus is going to be this street right here. That balcony. Okay. So yeah, we're going to be going along those kind of colored, beautiful buildings, and then there's a kind of hotel, those other balconies down that way. Before we go up, it's kind of just a photogenic street. So that's actually our target street right there. Calçada das Verdades. Calçada is like sidewalk, Verdades is truth. That's the Teatro Capitol building right there. Let me just go down a little bit. And then not too far away is Angel Street, which is on the other side of the Teatro. Let me see if we can... Okay, so this is our target right here. So we are going to walk up that one in a moment. What I want to do is show you this Angel Street real quick. So I just people are going down this little street right here called Angel Street. It connects to another street called Rua do Campo, which is kind of cool. Anyways, I think we should just start going up our street. One of the first things you're going to see is to the right is a hotel with all those balcony windows. And you got all these colorful buildings too. I'm just gonna capture it like that real quick. Okay. So that's that kind of cool looking hotel. But even check out the balconies next to it, like to the right of it. There's some beautiful balconies up in that building too. These little patios in here. There's lots of patios in Macau. Patios are basically kind of little residential streets that the cars can't go into. They make Macau look super cool. Okay, so let's keep on going up our target street, Verdades, and then we're gonna get these little Verdades lanes as well. So there's our first one, Travessa das Verdades. So we're gonna still keep on going up Calçada das Verdades, but we also have Truth Lane. And then now we're kind of in these colorful buildings too, right? Let's see, the next one is Rua das Verdades. So Verdades is truth, Rua is street. So this one is actually Rua das Verdades. So we're on the Calçada, the sidewalk of truth. This is the street of truth, the Rua. The Travessa was the lane of truth. This is this Townsville hotel right there. We're gonna keep on going up. So we're going up to Calçada. Now we have a beco. Like beco is like alley. Sometimes I kind of use it like alley. Always wondered if that rain would affect them, but not really. So that's actually a little beco right there. Let me just kind of show you. So that's the street they were just on. Then we're gonna keep on going up. And then let me see, so we're still on our street, Calçada das Verdades. So we're still there. And then I think it starts changing into some other areas. This is Filomena Street right here. Then of course you still got your colorful buildings. And then the Calçada continues up. So we'll just continue up, and then you got some other kind of cool stuff everywhere in here too. So Calçada das Verdades. Let's go up. Okay. Then you also have a temple here. They got rain on there. So there's a little temple. You'll see that from a different angle in a moment. So we're still going up Calçada das Verdades. There's more of this temple here, so we're gonna view that. Huh, they blocked all the... Oh, they block it so that the motorcycles can't get in so easily. I think my camera lens got a little wet, so now it feels like the colors are a little bit diluted. And our street just keeps on going up. Calçada das Verdades. Oh, I just walked by some older men playing, I think they're playing mahjong. I like to film it, but I also don't know if I should film it. And I don't want to turn the camera quickly. There's a lot of interesting stuff up here. This is Soul Street. I haven't filmed this in a while. Soul Street kind of has these kind of interesting angles. The way the city, that street moves is pretty interesting. Okay, so I believe our street's gonna end in a minute. So you can kind of see where we came from. Then we're gonna come up, and I think it's gonna be ending in a moment. Here's the Patio das Verdades. So here's another Calçada sign. And then I think our street is going to end up here. So we'll get a good view from up here. Oh no, it keeps on going. Oh no. So let me just kind of capture what all we got so far. And yeah, that's right, this one actually keeps going. Yeah, so we're still on our Calçada das Verdades. So we still have to go up that hill as well. Okay. So we're gonna go up further. So we still have our street signs for sidewalk. And the Verdades is kind of steps as well, so at least it's used here a lot. I think it literally means sidewalk, I think, but it's also like, so you got this beautiful forestry stuff. Whew. Still climbing. It feels a little bit dull. That's the thing, the rain brings out these really vibrant colors outside. The sun kind of dilutes the colors. The rain gives things colors, but then when you got a raindrop, then it kind of smears it. And the colors kind of, like they're vibrant, but they're blurry slightly. Anyways. So now we just walked all the way up the hill. You can see Grand Lisboa in the distance. Calçada do Manche is up here. And then we got our fortress up here too. And then this road is called the Artillery Road, because up there there's all these cannons. So our target street was that one down there, and then now we're on a totally different street, but we are up where the fortress is at. Whew. Okay, and on that note, I'm gonna end this video. I'm just gonna try to overlook our road from this little space here. So you can see all the cannons up there. So that defended all of Macau for 400 or 500 years, predominantly from other Europeans like the Dutch. And we were walking down that street down in that way. And we'll just end it. End it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz